So this video continues our discussion of redirecting to another page after you submit the grid. So as you can see here in the help, it says that if you want to compute the redirect target dynamically on the server in your event handler, you change the target to event, and having done that, the actual redirect target now will be computed by the on-page redirect event. So let's go here now and say e.url equals http://www.google.com. But let's say that just for the purpose of demonstration here, we'd like to say that if the user say submits a value of Smith in the last name field, we'd like to go to Google, otherwise we'd like to go to Yahoo. Now since the on-page redirect fires after all the rows have been submitted, we need to specify which row of data we're going to be checking. So you can see here I'm going to go here and say that if the data in row 1 was Smith, then go to Google, otherwise otherwise go to say Yahoo. So I'm going to go here and say if, and then now as the comment here shows you, the data that is submitted is stored in the E object e.rv, and inside e.rv you'll see data called V, which is all the submitted data, and then the row number, and then the field name of the data. And so we'll go here and say if e.rv.row1 last name equals Smith, then go to Google, otherwise and let's just put in a debug 1 so that we can actually look inside this E object and see what's there. So let's go ahead now to working preview, go to the last name field and type in Smith, and then do a submit. So you can see here the debugger opens up, and let's clear out the existing watch variables there, and now go and type e.rv.v, and what you can see here is that we only made changes to row 1, so therefore we're only seeing row 1 here. But if we had made changes to say row 1, row 3 and row 7, we would be seeing row 1, 3 and 7 over there. So e.r1 last name, and there you can see that e.rv .row1 last name equals Smith. So this is saying that basically we submitted a value of Smith in row 1 of the grid. So here we go, and we've made a typo, so let's go and fix that up. So we forgot the V basically. So let's halt that and go back now to our event handler. So that's going to be e.rv.v.row1, and go ahead now, and this time we'll type in say Jones, and then submit. And now let's go through our debugger, and you can see now that we're setting e.url to http Yahoo. So we'll go ahead now and just say run, and go back here, and you can see we're now at the Yahoo page. And if we go now and let's just remove that, and now go here and type in Smith, and then hit the submit button, you can see we're now on Yahoo. So as you can see, the event, the on-page redirect, gives you the ability to dynamically set your redirect target.